And go.
Welcome back, and today we are going to be showing you how to make a pocket system. We already made a yard size here. Pluto's way back there.
Yep.
But as you all know,
friends to join us here. So welcome back, Miss Angela here behind the camera, and Sir Isaac, honorary Wow Pal, here to help us out. So Isaac's class is doing Space Week. They're learning all about outer space. So we thought it would be super fun to do this this demonstration of the scale of the solar system and the space in the planets. So we laid out, we have these super cool, these are actually our dinner plates that look like the planets. And the instructions from NISE.org, and I will post a link to that so that you can see the instructions and you can do it yourself. So I'm going to come all the way back here. So we have a string here, and on it. Okay.
I could barely see this.
All right. So I have a clip here at the end, and this is the Kuiper Belt and Pluto. All right. So my wonderful assistant, if you Pluto and the Kuiper Belt and go take it to meet the sun. Go, go, go. So what we're going to do now is we are going to fold this in half. All right. Don't let go. So sun is at the sun, and we're going to, so halfway here we have Uranus. So a lot of people are surprised that the second to the last planet is actually halfway. So there we have Uranus. All right, you can let go. And then we're going to go halfway between Uranus out is Neptune. So of our point here, with the sun all the way over here, we have the Kuiper Belt all the way over there. The halfway point is Uranus. Crazy. So we're gonna go from Uranus and sun, would you go take that to the sun, please? All right, so if we fold that in half, then here we have that point is Saturn. All right, awesome. You can let go. So now we go from Saturn, please. Thank you, sir. And then that halfway point, we have the Kuiper Belt. And then we have, well, at that halfway point, we have the Jupiter, sorry. And then halfway to there, we have Kuiper Belt, or the asteroid belt, sorry, Kuiper, all the way back there. And then look at how close these planets are to the scale of the solar system.
Wait, I have an idea. Moon!
Oh, the moon. I can't believe we didn't think of that. All right, so this is the yard size version of the solar system, and obviously, you know, this is if all the planets aligned. So we told you we were going to show you how to make a pocket size one. So my loveliest.
Yes?
Okay, take one. All right, take this end. All right, so Isaac has a smaller version with some clips. So we have the sun, and then what's the first planet? Mercury. And then what do we have there? Those ones are, we have the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, right? So this gives you of the spacing of the planets, and the directions are on site, and I will put Isaac's doing a comparison. To show you how to make a paper one with stickers, and that one obviously you can put in your pocket easier than the clips, but we did that just because had it on hand.
Mommy?
Yeah.
I found out that there is 10 on here and 10 here.
Right. Asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt and the 8 planets. Right?
Wait. That are on here. There's only 10.
Right. 8 planets plus asteroids plus Kuiper belt equals 10.
Wait.
And the popsicle stick in the grass is the sun. I'll talk about this later. We're teaching people how to make their own. Okay. So, are we gonna make one for everyone?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Are you gonna make it? Here is a string.
That's pretty big.
All right. So what you're gonna do is
Bigger than me.
okay. Are you gonna follow directions?
I will.
At one end, you put a clip that is going to be your sun. And at the very other end, you're going to put another clip, hold on to both of those ends. Come on. Following directions, please.
I thought you meant the middle.
Get the middle and put another clip. So you want to fold that exactly in half, place another clip. And that is, which one did we say is halfway in between? Yes, Uranus. And we keep losing Wi-Fi, so if we disappear, I will post these directions so that you can make your own pocket solar system. Isaac. It won't stay that way. Put it sideways. Okay. So, now we're going to fold Uranus.
Okay, I still have it.
Alright, are we folding Uranus to the sun?
This is the sun.
Alright, so that halfway point, we'll put another clip.
Okay. Right there. That's the halfway point, right?
Right here. There we go. So that halfway point, we are gonna put Saturn. All right. Now we're gonna fold the sun to Saturn, and that.
Sun to Saturn.
Mm-hmm.
Sun. Is it Saturn?
The last one you put on.
This one now.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
Oh, no, because you already have one at the halfway point there, so that has to be, it's going to be the closest one to the sun right now. See, it's already getting, like, really cramped, yeah? So, this is a good example of how much space is really in outer space, right?
Mm-hmm.
Especially way far out in the solar system. Here, I'll help. It's blown away, isn't it? All right, so now we have Jupiter. All right, and here is another clip. All right, so then fold the sun to Jupiter.
The sun.
So the sun and the next closest one is Jupiter right now. And that's the asteroid belt right there in the middle.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna fold the asteroid belt to the sun, and that is Mars. I know, it's really, really getting close now, isn't it? All right, so now, how many do we still have left?
I don't know.
All right, so now fold.
I think like 3. I don't think we're gonna be able to fit them all.
So we still need to fit Mercury, Venus, and Earth. So fold that in half, and then you would fold it in half again. So that's going to be really hard to fold. Just hold that so I can show our friends here. So halfway, and then halfway here.
That's really tight.
And then halfway here. So
is that what? So this is
the
sun. Then what
sun.
is this?
So then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, the asteroid belt. All the way down there is Jupiter. And then we have Saturn. Walking with me, I can't stretch it out. If you walk with me, there we go. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then all the way down here we have the Kuiper Belt and Pluto. So, you know, if you want to make one of these that actually fits in your pocket, there are examples of how to make them out of paper and folding and putting stickers on it. If you want to make a string one, you can tie a little tiny piece of ribbon on instead of using the clips. The clips were a little bit quicker, which is that. But this is a super fun way to look at the spacing of our solar system and the space that is in space, right? All right. Thanks for joining us.